Well, while I'm waiting for her, I just want to take a look at these vets. Like fire. It's still nice to see all these vets just lined up like this. Alright, so I'm getting ready to go to Chevrolet to pick up my Corvette. Now, I dropped my Corvette off last week for an oil change. That's it. And they told me that, you know, once I brought it there, they hooked it up. They said, hey, you have a few lights that's on. We more than happy to, you know, keep it overnight so we can take a look at it to see what's going on, what's causing the lights. So I was like, okay, I'm going out of town. Might as well just sit at the dealership and let them look at it. Tell me how they ended up sending me an invoice. This invoice was like worth, it was an invoice worth of $40,000 of things they wanted me to do. They talking about engine replacements. They talking about taking off my exhaust and replacing them with another exhaust. Now, mind you, everything on my car is custom. It's aftermarket, right? So they trying to take everything off to put it back factory, and they trying to charge me like $40K to do that. I brought my car in for an oil change. How you gonna? So yeah, that pissed me all the way off. I told them, yeah, don't touch my shit. Complete the oil change. I come and pick it up. Like, y'all are bugging. Y'all are tripping. So right now, I'm waiting for the driver to come pick me up, take me to the dealership. I'm gonna go pick it up. I'm gonna try to get some footage so y'all can see like what they were saying. Try not to cuss. So yeah, we're gonna see how this is go. But they were tripping hard. Okay. They finally just got here to come pick me up. So let's go. See what they gonna have to say. This is crazy work, for real. Like, very much so. Oh, man. Doing all right. Well, I tell you, this is probably gonna be the last time I ever bring my car to the dealership. Yeah. You get that a lot?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Oh, my.
Not a lot, but
yeah.
I've heard it before.
Yeah, like, there's no way that I bring my car in for an oil change and then they send me an invoice for over $40K. Exactly. What? So yeah, that's wild. Alright, cool. Appreciate it, man. Alright, you too. Go up in here. Ooh, this one's nice. Shoot. Oh, this one's nice. Alright. So what are the charges on it?
It's the oil change, and it shows that you came in also for a check engine light. So it's a diag in there. There you go.
Well, Mr. Vincent, yeah, you knew about that diag, boss, when I talked about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so and then I give you the whole breakdown on it, and then the oil change, boss.
Yeah, okay. Man, well.
Alright, so one moment. Let's see.
Well, while I'm waiting for her, I just want to take a look at these vets. These mugs are fire. Like fire. Mine's still better than all of these, but it's still nice to see all these vets just lined up like this. Yeah, mine's still the best out of all of them. But this is the last time I would ever come here. I would never come here again, not even for an oil change, because they literally try to give me a $45,000. It's crazy.
Here you go.
This is it?
Yep.
I just wasted money for no reason. If you know me, you know I do not like wasting money. I don't care if it's $2. I don't care. $3, I don't care. I don't like wasting money. And I just wasted $200-some just for them not to do nothing. But look at that. Ooh-wee. Baby look good. I gotta wash it again now. Appreciate it, man. You too, man. Thank you. Now I gotta wash it. So annoying. I gotta wash it again. Oh, but I'm back with my baby.
Battery.
The battery?
Yeah. The battery had low. What's it called? Low voltage codes.
Okay.
Which I think it still has the original battery from 2020.
Okay.
And then the TPMS. I don't remember. Go hit it one more time. They won't set any codes.
Okay.
And it's basically you get that and it's the whole thing.
Okay. I want to see something. Look at this, y'all. I came in for an oil change, right? Let me get this paperwork straight. I came in for an oil change, just it. They did a diagnostic, and they said for a engine replacement, $10,000, over $10,000. Cadillac convertible, $3,000. Exhaust muffler removal, $5,000. Transmission, $1,400. Axle shift, like, this is crazy. So yeah, I would never come here again. But at least I got my baby back. Now I gotta take it home and wash it. Crazy. Alright, man. Finally headed back to the house. After wasting some money for no reason. Still pissed about that, but crazy work. Motherfucker, I don't know how to drive. It's something about being low to the ground.
And I run with the click, they got 600. Way before all of this rap, I was outside trying to get money. Every nigga pissed off dumb. That's that bitch too lumpy. He know how to get Chipotle. Shit, we getting paid to have it shit, so I can't tell about nothing. Let's go lobster, Rover, original tiny hofer. 600 active member, ducking the crash on me. Dang it, type of nigga to do drop-outs in the Buick, bumping music, head bottom, have them screaming.
I always get front parking when I drive this. Gots to. I got way apart from this bitch. That's funny. No beans. Chicken. Can I get like just a little bit more chicken? No, I don't want double. I just want a little bit more chicken. All right. Let me get fajitas, veggies as well. A little bit more, just a little bit more. Thank you. Mild. Corn, same amount of corn, and then extra a lot of cheese. A little bit more cheese. That's it. I be hating when I tell them to give me a little more chicken. They always quick to say double. No, I don't want double chicken. I want just a little bit more chicken. That's it. Nah. Just so every time I come to Chipotle, I always ask for a water cup. Always, just so I can get a good Gatorade. But I actually might get water. I need water. Nah, I'm fucking need Gatorade. Another thing that I always do too, I'm always taking hella forks. That's all I yep. Give me those two. Give me those. Give me all them shits. Alright, man. Time to go home. Man, ain't nothing like that Cali music, boy.
In the mix like a mixer, you fixer, I'm a sixer. Yeah.
1, 2, 3 into the 4, 5% then ride through the city slow. 635 back, so I hit the back roads. Hopped on 75 and put the pedal to the flow. Met a cold bitch in the cut, in the bathroom trying to see what's up.
Finally back at the crib. Now it's time to get back to work. Thank God for the 3-car garage. Alright, man. Now it's time to get back to work. I still am tired. I'm gonna try to get a nap in. I ain't gonna lie to you. I am tired as hell.